Virgo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies for you sa first 6 months ng 2025. So that's January to June 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay. So let's begin. Virgo, what is up? First 6 months. January to June 2025. O, diba? Virgo agad. Kayong-kayo to. Digest. So, this is about absorbing something, no? Maaring meron kayong pag-aaralan or imamaster na craft or skills ngayong first half ng 2025. You may be learning, you may be going to school, or yung iba naman, meron kayong bagong libangan. Itong libangan na to ay hindi basta-basta na parang walang kabuluhan. Ito ay makabuluhan para sa'yo. Okay? This can be pwedeng maging business mo in the future, or maging plano mong negosyo in ngayong 2025. Let's say naaliw ka sa pag-aalaga ng halaman. So, eventually, nakita mo na may talents ka doon. Meron kang green thumb na pag may tinanim ka, buhay agad. So, maaring yun yung gifts mo. So, pwede mo siyang gawing negosyo na you will be selling plants, or gagawa ka ng YouTube channel para i-share yung knowledge mo about agriculture or planting or whatever your talent is. This is also about organization. So, maaaring meron kayong organize ngayong first half ng 2025, organizing your schedule, keeping things in order, okay? Pwedeng may renovation sa bahay, mayroong mga rearrangement of your furnitures. You also have Mercury. Mercury is your ruler, okay? And then progressions, journey. Yes, a lot of learnings for you. I feel like, parang alam mo yung mga apps or mga phones, 'di ba? Meron silang tinatawag na updates. So that's what I'm saying for you. I-update mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na dapat mong malaman or mga bagay na interesado ka. Kasi for some of you, pwedeng medyo tinamad kayo na mag-upgrade ng knowledge nyo, ng skills ninyo, or anything in your house or para sa sarili mo. And ngayong first half ng June, you will make sure na meron kang added value sa buhay mo that you can call na ito yung upgrade mo. So let's say nag-aral ka ng short course, or nag-ayos ka ng bahay nyo, nag-renovate ka, things like that. So anything na pagbabago para ma-improve yung lifestyle mo or way of living mo, you're gonna do that ngayong first half ng 2025. Okay? So, there's definitely progress for you ngayong first half ng 2025. Let's see what else. You have the 6 of Pentacles. So, this is balance in your finances. Yung iba sa inyo, if you have a partner, this can be romantic partner, business partner, or sa family, na tumutulong, no, sa'yo, sa business, sa trabaho. Like for example, yung nanay mo na pinagluluto ka bago ka pumasok sa trabaho. Diba? Yung mga ganon. Anyone who gives you support para, or to help, or someone who helps you para mapadali yung iyong pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay, no? So, you will have that kind of person in your life. And maaring ikaw rin, you will also support someone. You have the 4 of Cups. Mhm. Four of Cups is, ano to eh, parang you feel na something is lacking. Parang may kulang sa buhay mo. Five of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng isa sa nakikita nyong kulang sa buhay nyo is your finances, yung capabilities ninyo to earn money. Okay? And I think you're going to do something about it. Oracle of Pentacles is your resources. Meron kang mga itong mga pag-aaralan mo, no, ngayong first 6 months ay tutulong sa'yo para mapaunlad mo yung finances mo. Can be anything. Can be a skill or information na tutulong sa'yo para ma-improve mo ang iyong kaperahan. Kasi for some of you talagang medyo naging alanganin yung takbo ng finances ninyo, or maaring you are looking for some strategies para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo, financial goal mo ngayong 2025. You have the Five of Swords. Alam nyo, this can be challenging for some of you kasi meron dito na parang i-discourage ka. Ito yung tipong sasabihin sa'yo na, ay, ang hirap naman ng ginagawa mo. Ay, naku, hindi yan magiging successful. 'Di ba? For someone na may ginagawa para sa ikabubuti ng pamumuhay mo, buhay ng pamilya mo, mas makakarinig ka ng ganon. Minsan makakarinig ka pa niyan galing sa taong malapit sa'yo. 'Di ba nakakainis? Oh. So, ito yung kailangan mong ring bantayan. Yung kung paano ka mai-impluwensyahan nun ng mga negative comments, ng mga discouragement, yung mga pambabash, yung mga taong ina-underestimate yung kakayanan mo. Kasi kung magpapa-apekto ka, definitely mawawalan ka ng focus. Pag nawalan ka ng focus, wala, you're going to be all over the place. Hindi mo alam kung anong direction. Mawawalan ka ng direction sa buhay. So, wag mo silang pansinin kasi minsan nakikita kasi nila yung potential mo. And alam nila na kapag naging successful ka doon, maaangatan mo sila. 'Di ba? Ayaw nilang maangatan mo sila. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong ipapaayos sa bedroom ninyo. Let's say, bibili kayo ng bagong kama, bibili kayo ng mga bagong gamit sa bed ninyo. If you're in a relationship, maaring you will have a wonderful sexual experience with your partner. Yan, may transformation. Things are transforming for you for the better. Ito yung pagbangon. Huwag mong hayaan na yung pagbangon mo, hihilain pa ng iba. You know, because there's someone who is there for you, who is helpful, who is supportive. Di doon ka mag-focus sa mga nagsusupport. Doon sa mga hindi, wag mo nang pansinin kasi wala naman silang ambag. 'Di ba? And I think marami kang magiging realization sa buhay mo. Kung ano yung mas importante. Kung saan ka mas magiging masaya. Kung ano yung dapat talagang binibigyan mo ng attention. At pag alam mo na yon, hindi ka na mas basta-basta maaapektuhan ng opinion ng iba. Your true tribe can't show up until you do. So you will be attracting people na kapareho mo mag-isip. How can you show more of the real you? Being true to yourself. Kasi minsan, 'di ba? Meron tayong mga binabago sa sarili natin just to belong, just to be accepted. Halimbawa, hate na hate mo ang maglaro ng basketball. Pero, yung mga kaibigan mo naglalaro ng basketball. So, ang gagawin mo, pipilitin mo sarili mo maglaro ng basketball just to belong. But in the end, sarili mo lang yung pinahihirapan mo. 'Di ba? Kasi kung kaibigan mo sila, they will accept you for who you really are. 'Di ba? You don't have to pretend. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap. Your purpose is personal expansion. How can you be more intentional with your choices and live more with purpose? Oh. So, ngayong first half ng 2025, you are going to expand. Maraming ways para expand ang ating sarili. Hindi lang physically. It can be emotionally, spiritually, and uh, pwedeng sa finances, no? So, there's definitely progress sa inyo as long as willing ka na may i-work out sa sarili mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.